Instagram Reels, how to use the new Instagram Reels feature. Hello everyone, welcome to GoSo. My name is Augusto and today we're going to talk about how and why Instagram Reels was created. We're going to show you how to make one and how to implement it into your Instagram strategy. But before we jump on it, let's talk about how and why it was created. Reels is Instagram's last attempt to maintain dominance in social media by offering its followers a short video format to compete directly with TikToks by offering a very similar format that is being offered in this latter platform. This was introduced in the last and the new Instagram update. And with Instagram Reels, the company tries to get its users to spend as much time as possible on the platform and attract new creators, of course. Also, Instagram Reels is aimed to retain millennials on the platform, a very valuable target for brands nowadays. With everything going on with TikTok in the US and India, do you think they will succeed and come out as a winner? Some of the few changes introduced in this last update are reducing and shutting Instagram fake accounts with the new review and ID process. They are also testing new ways of showcasing stories on a separate block from the feed. And they also changed Stories Creator Display. And of course, they put Instagram Reels on it. Okay, but what exactly are Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels are short videos from 3 to 15 seconds. They live on your feed, on the Reels section, and also on the Explore page. Indeed, the platform is pushing and promoting the use of Instagram Reels, particularly on the Explore page. I don't know if you noticed, but Instagram Reels, it's now taking like 2/3 of your screen on the Explore page. And if you click on it, you can swipe up to discover other creators' content. You can also select a variety of features and share the Instagram Reels in different ways, like on your stories, on your feed, send them, share them, etc. Instagram Reel is a new way of creating really engaging content, as it's proven that users and followers react more and better to short videos format. However, there's still some points that Instagram should work on the Instagram Reels. There are still some weak points, like the limited editing you can use. The maximum length of your videos is still 15 seconds, which is quite short. There are still no insights provided for this format. So if you want to check your video's performance, you'll have to wait. And unfortunately, we can still not download Instagram Reels videos. So if you want to download your own videos or someone else's, you'll have to wait for now. Okay, now that we know what Instagram Reels are and why they were created, let's dive into it and create one of our own. You need to make sure that you have the latest Instagram update, which should be between 152 and 153. Okay, now as if you were to create a new story, just press and hold on your story button. And there we have Instagram Reels. Oh, if I look awful. Just press Reels, and here we have the recording button. And we have some new features, which are audio. You can choose between a variety of songs, and you can browse and connect with your Spotify or iPhone music. Then you have the speed of your recording, which you can select by slow motion or normal. Then you have a variety of filters and effects, which is exactly the same as the stories. And last but not least, the timer. You can set up a timer and it will just tell you the 3 seconds you have to start recording, and you can set up how long you want your video to be. I don't usually use it anyway. You can just press on your button to start recording, and bear in mind that it's recording in clips. The Instagram Reels are recorded in clips and separated. So we can create one. Now this is really useful if you want to just change customs or include someone else on your video. For now, for example, we put on some glasses. And finally, we can just put some effects. I'm gonna add some mustache, as mine is not enough. So there we go. Okay, once you have your clips ready. Bear in mind that if you want to edit, you want to add any effects or delete one of the clips, you have to do it before recording a new one, because Instagram Reels doesn't allow you to go back and edit the previous videos. You just need to, you can just delete or edit the video you're recording at the moment. So once you think you got it ready, just move on. Okay, you check how we do it. And now you can write a caption, select a cover. And this is quite interesting here. You want to make sure that you also share it to the feed. What does this mean? That if you share it to the feed, you ensure that your audience, your followers, see it first, interact with your video, and this can help you boost your content and show it on the Explore page. Okay, once you have, we'll put some caption, first time. There are a lot of first times in life, isn't it? Then, bam, share it. Okay. It may take a while, but after you record it, I'm going to show you where it's going to be seen. Okay, just like I said, it's shown on the feed. You can also share it to your video, you can also share your Instagram Reel to your story. This. Bam. And this is quite interesting because it's going to be shown also in your Instagram Reels section here in your profile. If you go and click here, you will see all your Instagram Reels. And if you're lucky enough, there we go, on the Explore page, taking 2/3 of the screen. Okay, now that you know how to create it, just go and play with it, go crazy. Okay, now that we know the reason behind the creation of Instagram Reels, how to make one and what they are, just go for it and make your own creations. Okay, do you think Instagram Reels will take over TikTok? Please comment below, we want to know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see our videos. This was Augusto, thanks very much for watching, and visit gozo.io.